Point capital A is 30 mm in front of VP and 40 mm above HP. Another point capital B is 20 mm behind VP and 35 mm below HP. The horizontal distance between the points parallel to XY line is 60 mm. Draw the three projections of the points and join their front and top views. First, we will going to draw the XY line and mark X and Y. Then he says the point A is 30 mm in front of VP. In front of VP always comes below XY line. So from here, first we are going to draw a vertical projector with a thin line. Then you measure 30 mm in front of VP. In front of VP will always comes below XY line. So from here, by using the scale, or you measure the distance of 30 mm and you mark the point. In front of VP means the top view, you mark this point as small a. And 40 mm above HP. So from here, you measure 40 mm above XY line, because above HP will always comes above XY line. So from here, you measure the distance of 40 mm and mark that point here. Above HP is front view, so you mark this point as A dash. The horizontal distance between their points parallel to XY line is 60 mm. So we have a projector A, and from here, you measure the distance of 60 mm and draw one more vertical projector, which will going to be the projector B. The another point B is 20 mm behind VP. Behind VP will always comes above XY line. So from here, you measure the distance of 20 mm above XY line and you mark this point and name that point as small b. And 35 mm below HP. Below HP will always comes below XY line. So from here, you measure the distance of 35 mm and you mark that point. You mark that point and you mark this as B dash. And draw the three projections of the points. So first, you join between the top views of A and B and join between the top views of front views of A dash and B dash. And three projections. So since we need to write the three projections, so we have the front view of the point A and we have the top view of the point A. To this, we need to write the third view, which is the profile. So to do that, you take any convenient distance from the projector B and draw one more vertical line and you mark that point as X1 and Y1. As we need to write the third projection of the point A, so here, that means in the side, in the profile view, we will see the distances of the front view and as well as the top view. Where we have the front view, on that line, you will going to get the side view. So draw a horizontal projector from A dash to the profile view. So this is the profile view here. And then the adjacent to the top view is here. So we have got the front view distance in the profile view. Now we need to take the top view distance. The top view distance is vertical here. So that has to be transferred into the horizontal distance. So adjacent to this top view, you draw a 45-degree line here. By using the protractor, you measure an angle of 45 degree with respect to the XY line. So below the XY line, you draw this inclined line, 45 degrees. Then you draw a horizontal projector from A to the 45-degree line with a thin line. And then, so this vertical distance of in front of VP has transferred into horizontal distance here. And then from here, you draw a vertical projector to the side view where it will go into cuts from A dash and also from this line. Both will go into intersect at this point and you mark the point as A double dash. Now we know this is the top view and this is the front view. So to that I need to write the profile view. So to do that, so we draw a, so first we will go to, since in the top view, in the profile view, we will see the distances of the front view and as well as the top view. So, and where the front view, on that line you are going to get the side view. So draw a horizontal projector from B dash to the profile view, and then since B is vertical here, so this vertical distance has to be transferred into the horizontal distance here. So to do that, by using the protractor, you measure an angle of 45 degree with respect to the XY line in the above the XY line, and then draw an inclined thin line. Then draw a horizontal projector from the top view of the point B to the 45-degree line, where it will going to transfer the 20 mm behind VP into the horizontal distance here. So then from here, you draw a vertical projector and from here you draw a horizontal projector where these two will going to intersect, and this point you will call this as B double dash. Then show the dimensions of 40, 30, 20, 35 and this 60 mm, and here you show the dimensions of 45 degrees and show the directions of projection which as shown, and this will going to be the final solution. In the sketchbook we have to write this.